My weekend plans. It is Friday afternoon, and I am excited. The weekend is here, and I have many plans. I want to tell you about my weekend plans. On Saturday morning, I will wake up at 8 a.m. I do not set my alarm clock because I do not have to go to work or school. I can sleep a little longer than on weekdays. After I wake up, I will have a big breakfast. I will make pancakes with maple syrup and a cup of hot chocolate. Weekend breakfasts are special. At 10 a.m., I will go to the park with my dog. My dog loves to run and play in the park. I will throw a ball for him to catch. It is good exercise for both of us. After the park, I will meet my friend at the shopping mall at 12 p.m. We will look at clothes in different stores. I want to buy a new shirt. My friend wants to buy new shoes. We will have lunch at the food court in the mall. I think I will eat a sandwich and drink some juice. My friend likes pizza, so she will probably eat that. In the afternoon, I will go to the movies with another friend. There is a new comedy film that we both want to see. The movie starts at 3:30 p.m. We will buy popcorn and soda to enjoy during the film. On Saturday evening, I will go home and relax. I will order food delivery for dinner. Maybe I will order Chinese food or a burger. Then I will watch TV or read a book. On Sunday morning, I will sleep until 9 a.m. Then I will clean my apartment. I will vacuum the floor, wash the dishes, and do my laundry. I like to start the new week with a clean home. In the afternoon, I will visit my parents. They live 20 minutes away by bus. We will have Sunday lunch together at 1 p.m. My mother is a good cook. After lunch, we will sit in the garden if the weather is nice. On Sunday evening, I will prepare for the new week. I will check my work or school schedule. I will also prepare my clothes for Monday morning. Before I go to bed, I will take a relaxing bath. Then I will go to sleep early because Monday is a work day again. These are my weekend plans. I think it will be a fun and busy weekend. What are your plans for the weekend?